are over 250 million vehicles in the United States, and every day, more than 100 million of them take to the road. Some travel only a few miles. Others spend their entire day on the highway. While many vehicles are fueled with petroleum products refined from offshore oil, a growing number of drivers and fleet owners are turning to natural gas, and for good reason. It's affordable, it's clean, and there's a plentiful supply in North America. Using natural gas as an energy source can significantly reduce our dependency on foreign oil, which is good for our economy and our environment. In fact, the United States has one of the largest natural gas reserves of any country in the world and will for many years to come. Natural gas for transportation can be supplied in a liquid or compressed form. Compressed natural gas, CNG, is the logical choice for most light and medium-duty trucks. Adjusted to energy contained in a gallon or gallon equivalent, CNG typically costs less than half the price of gasoline. In fact, it's the lowest cost, most stably priced fuel available today. And unlike E85 or propane, CNG packs as much energy per gallon equivalent sold as gasoline, so CNG vehicles enjoy the same mileage as gasoline vehicles. While gasoline prices have fluctuated dramatically and continuously risen over the years, the price of CNG has actually gone down at the pump. With our high reserve levels, there's every opportunity for steady to declining prices for the next 30 years. Compressed natural gas is also cleaner and easier on the environment than gasoline or diesel. Even electric vehicles don't achieve zero emissions when electricity production factors are included in the equation. Natural gas produces the least CO2 of any hydrocarbon fuel. It's the same fuel people have safely used to cook with and heat their homes with for over 150 years. Because it's all domestic and clean, many states offer substantial incentives for vehicles using CNG power. Before converting to CNG, it's important to know the facts. Check directly with the vehicle manufacturer for a list of OEM-approved suppliers. Knowing what to ask and what to look for can make a big difference in owner satisfaction. You'll want to make sure the supplier follows a factory-approved process that complies with manufacturer requirements so that the quality, performance, and warranty of your vehicle are not compromised. It's essential to start with a factory-built CNG prep engine designed specifically for CNG use. To ensure a quality installation, choose a supplier whose CNG components are designed, manufactured, and installed at a fixed location by a single source that follows a defined process. It's both reasonable and wise to visit a CNG supplier's facility before making a decision, especially where a higher volume fleet application is involved. Every CNG installation must have EPA or CARB certification to comply with emissions regulations. Any non-certified modification to the emissions control system is a violation of the federal anti-tampering law and is illegal. However, it's important to remember that EPA or CARB certification alone does not ensure that a fuel system is safe or durable. Because natural gas and gasoline behave differently, a quality CNG fuel system design includes a control system that distinguishes between the two fuels and correctly regulates either of them across the entire engine operating range. A system that simply intercepts gasoline signals and converts them to natural gas signals may cause engine or emission system damage under some conditions. It's important to ask questions about quality, reliability, and durability. The process used to design, manufacture, and test a CNG system will reveal how well it is built, how reliably it operates, and how well it will perform across a range of conditions. It's also important to review a CNG system's engineering drawings and product testing results to gain a better understanding of the system's overall performance and quality. Just as with original equipment manufacturers, a quality vehicle modifier will perform comprehensive testing on its products to ensure good performance and years of trouble-free operation. No less important are the manufacturing standards. The quality and reliability of the entire CNG system should equal or exceed those of the original equipment manufacturer. A qualified vehicle modifier will operate a clean, well-organized facility with a permanent, full-time staff of trained, well-qualified technicians who follow a detailed, error-proof process at each step of the installation. The facility should maintain records for each individual installation, including serial numbers, fastener torque values, and any data unique to every specific vehicle. Drivability information and test results should also be readily available. A quality CNG system should perform the same when running on CNG as when running on gasoline across a range of temperatures and conditions, including cold start, acceleration, cruise, deceleration, on grades, at high altitude, and when towing. When it comes to ordering a CNG vehicle, it should be easy, a straightforward and transparent part of the OEM order-to-delivery process. Vehicle tracking should be open and accessible, just as when ordering a gasoline or diesel-powered vehicle. The dealer should be able to inform the customer where the vehicle is in the build process at any time. No additional customer involvement should be required, and no additional shipping charges should be applied. At the time of delivery, the vehicle should have passed a complete CNG road test, be fully prepped, and be key-ready for the customer to drive away. When maintenance is required, the dealership should be equipped to rapidly and thoroughly perform all necessary service procedures, including updating and reflashing the calibration software so that the vehicle can be promptly returned to service. A qualified vehicle modifier will also stock the latest release replacement parts so that repairs can be performed quickly to ensure vehicles remain in service. With its low cost, abundant supply, and low emissions, CNG is the right fuel for a cleaner, more energy-independent North America. At less than half the price of gasoline, annual fuel savings with natural gas can easily add up to thousands of dollars. So it's not hard to offset the cost of a CNG system in under 2 years, even less when state purchase incentives are provided, and then enjoy the benefit of substantially lower fuel costs throughout the years of vehicle operation. CNG is a money saver and a wise choice. And when it's time to update your fleet, nothing holds residual value better or is more attractive to a prospective second owner than a vehicle equipped with a nationally recognized, factory-installed CNG system that is proven, durable, and fully serviceable at any authorized OEM dealership. Natural gas, today's best energy choice, whether you're powering a small group of vehicles or an entire fleet.